Ryan, you say May May. Say Daddy. Granny. Who's that cute little girl? Say Granny.
Daddy.
Yep, you see Daddy back there, don't you?
Hey.
Hey.
You so silly. Ryan Grace, where's Bubba?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's Bubba?
Daddy.
Daddy. That's Daddy in the background. Tell him hey. Tell him hey. He's waving at you. That was cute. Tell Daddy hey right there.
Hey.
No. No.
Baba.
Wave at the camera.
Say hey. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Don't hit Mama, please. That
Hey,
hurts.
don't hit Mama or the baby.
Baby.
No, you're staying up here with Daddy. You're locked. You're in jail.
He's very,
Say
very
I love you.
tired and snuggly wuggly. He's not feeling that he had his
Say I love you.
circumcision today, so.
No, you're not gonna go night night.
Who is that cute little girl?
You can turn that down, Tasha.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What are you wearing?
Uh-oh.
Ryan, are you wearing a gown?
Say gown.
Are you wearing a gown, Ryan Grace? Hey, Tinkalink. You better be leaving that alone. Daddy, what is she doing? Hey, stop with that whole voice. Ooh. Ooh. You waving at him? Say hey. Yeah, you're cute. Say hey.